Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? We are back, and today we're at the Sky Lagoon in Iceland. I'm going to do maybe a little bit of comparing to the Blue Lagoon since I've already been there. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out or subscribe so you don't miss it when I do post it. And yeah, let's get to it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me so much. And leave a comment down below which one kind of seems more exciting to you. And let's go see what this place has to offer. So excited! I don't even have words right now. I've got nothing for you yet other than basically there's a 7-step ritual when you book the Pure package, which is like meant to do all sorts of like rejuvenating things. First thing first is you come soak in the warm water, and then you have to take an ice bath before you head into this little hut. That guy right there, ice bath, that little hut. And I've been watching people do the ice bath, and I've never gone into an ice bath after, well, pretty much in general, but especially after soaking in warm water. So I'm a little nervous, but also super excited. And then after that, there's a whole bunch of like saunas and like exfoliating things. Like there's a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know how much of it I'm going to be able to film, but I will tell you guys how it goes if I can't film too much. I'm excited but also very, very nervous, and so far I'm like super relaxed already, so I don't know, let's see how this goes. All right, here I go. Oh my gosh. That's it. Not for me, so cold. Wow. This is a sauna for real. Cold mist room. Actually kind of feels nice after the sauna. Oh yeah, that's cool. It's dark, so now salt scrub for a scrub. Alright you guys, yet again, I didn't film an outro or final thoughts on a video. I need to get better at this. New Year's resolution, I guess. But anyway, the Sky Lagoon, I can't recommend it enough. I think it is worth the price point. I think if you really take the time to enjoy each step of their 7-step ritual, you will get out of it exactly what's intended for you to get out of it. If you rush through it, it's just gonna be kind of like, why? But if you don't want to pay for that, I do think that their basic package where you just get to go in and enjoy the lagoon is awesome. It is such a beautiful property. It's a beautiful beautifully laid out spa. You have wonderful views of the ocean. And it's really cool how like nature-y it feels, even though you're like right in Reykjavik. But yeah, 10 out of 10, can't recommend enough. Definitely check it out. I will say in comparison to the Blue Lagoon, the Sky Lagoon seems a little bit more local. It only opened up in the last year, so keep that in mind. I did meet some locals there. I like talked to a few groups of like really awesome people that I'm still friends with that I talk to online, so shout out if you guys are watching this. Hi, miss you guys. And yeah, I just had a wonderful experience. I didn't film much of like how I was feeling in there because I had had a stressful few days. I can talk about that in like a different video about solo travel if you guys want. I have some clips of like my solo travel feelings and experience from this Iceland trip. If you want to see it, please just leave a comment down below. But yeah, I just was like trying to reset from all of that and get ready to go home. I hadn't been home in a while, so I didn't say much, but I will say now that it was a beautiful, beautiful experience, and I loved it so, so, so much. In comparison to the Blue Lagoon, if you go into the Blue Lagoon thinking that it's a like more touristy, more well-known thing, you're gonna be a lot closer to people. It's a much bigger space, so they like allow more people in, that kind of stuff. If you go into it thinking of it as more of a tourist attraction and not really like a spa experience, that's kind of how the Blue Lagoon is, where like Sky Lagoon right now, because it's not too busy, or at least when I was there it wasn't, you can go into it thinking of it as more of a spa experience. I really like both of them, and I really love Sky Lagoon. I thought it was a great way to end the trip, and I will say, because I do tell people they should experience both, you should bookend your trip with it. So if you start your trip, like your first thing that you do is Blue Lagoon and you end it with Sky Lagoon, or the other way around, it's a great way to like get in the vacation mode and then also like reset yourself before going home. Like, I'm really thankful that I was able to make that happen and to book my trip that way. I thought it was great. So yeah, those are just kind of like my final thoughts. If you have any questions whatsoever about any of it, please leave them in the comment section below. And yeah, I would be happy to answer all of that for you, or anything about Iceland. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and I'm really excited for the next adventure, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!